Are you ready to add some soft texture to your quilt? I'm Andy, and this is True Blue Quilts, a place to enjoy, experiment, and excel as you quilt. A customer brought me these two small quilts with zigzag patterns. She asked for simple free motion quilting, as the quilts will be gifts for newborn twins. I decided to use some of my favorite meandering designs so that the quilts will have similar flow, but not be carbon copies of each other. Fraternal, not identical twins in this case.
I started off with some big meandering stitches there in the gray background area of this quilt, and then I used coordinating thread to stitch a wishbone figure 8 pattern in both the purple and the yellow sections of this quilt. The coordinating thread makes it kind of hard to see those stitches on the front of the quilt, but there you see the gray background, and I just wanted to contrast those textures, more of the lines of the meandering with the loops in the colored stripes. On this quilt, I reversed and did the loops in the background and then some wavy parallel lines for the color accent of this quilt. These two quilts are going to siblings, so I wanted them to be similar, but just reversed the shapes. Quick filler designs, loopy meander, and wavy lines with traveling there in the seam lines.
Watch the video below for my top 5 beginner-friendly free motion quilting designs. And click the subscribe button. I'll be here next Friday with another quilting tutorial.